guarding the door.
Hey, where'd everybody go?
Another one? Arrest him! Arrest them all!
No!
Marshmallow?
Where else are we gonna go?
Our lives are terrible. We get no thanks.
Brace yourselves, fellas. This is gonna hurt.